Welcome to our channel Ecom Global. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that's changing the game for e-commerce sellers, TikTok Shop. And if you stay till the end, I'll also share how you can avoid the biggest mistakes most sellers make and how our team can help you grow fast without the stress. So what exactly is TikTok Shop? It's TikTok's own integrated shopping feature where you can sell products directly inside the app. Instead of just running ads and sending people to your website, you can now list your products inside TikTok itself, and users can purchase without leaving the app. This is powerful because TikTok already has millions of active daily users, and TikTok Shop allows you to tap directly into that audience. But here's the truth. While TikTok Shop is a golden opportunity, 90% of new sellers fail within the first few weeks. Why? Because they don't understand TikTok's strict policies, ad requirements, and selling process. Let's break down the main reasons. First, product restrictions. TikTok has a long list of products you're not allowed to sell, like tobacco, supplements, dangerous goods, or even unverified branded items. Many sellers list these by mistake, and within days their shops are banned. Second, poor compliance. Even small issues like missing documents, mismatched business details, or fake reviews can get your shop suspended. TikTok is strict about authenticity and trust. Third, weak marketing. Opening a shop is not enough. You need strong ad creatives, influencer collaborations, and product positioning. Most sellers upload random videos or copy-paste product descriptions and expect sales. That doesn't work on TikTok. Fourth, account linking and billing issues. If your TikTok shop is not properly connected with your ad account, or if your payment setup looks suspicious, TikTok can block your campaigns or suspend your shop. Now, here's the good news. If you do it the right way, TikTok Shop can generate insane results. We've seen sellers who went from 0 to hundreds of daily orders within weeks just by following the correct process. And this is where Ecom Global comes in. Our team specializes in TikTok ads and TikTok Shop management. We help you with registering and verifying your shop properly, making sure your products are fully compliant with TikTok's rules, creating ad creatives that actually convert, running stable ad accounts without constant suspensions, and scaling your shop step by step without unnecessary risks. Think about it. Most sellers waste months trying to figure this out alone, and by the time they learn, their account is already banned. Instead, you can have experts guide you from day one. And remember, if you already have a TikTok shop that's suspended, or if your ads aren't working, don't panic. Contact us on WhatsApp today, and we'll help you fix it. Whether it's reactivating your shop, setting up new accounts safely, or building a winning strategy, we've got solutions for every situation. At the end of the day, TikTok Shop is the future of social e-commerce. The opportunity is huge, but only if you do it the right way. Don't risk losing your account or wasting time with trial and error. So here's my advice. If you're serious about making money with TikTok Shop and want long-term stability, WhatsApp us right now. Let's set up your shop correctly, keep your accounts safe, and start generating sales fast. Thank you for watching. This is Ecom Global, helping you grow, scale, and stay safe on TikTok. And remember, for every TikTok shop or TikTok ads issue, your solution is just one WhatsApp message away.